Really, this is today, and behind me you can see this or 7.9 meter catamaran boat. You can see it has been little training, and it will be delivered tomorrow. First, congratulations joining Gospel member, and I'm very happy. More stories for you. Uh, so next, I will make more videos. You can see all the reviews for this boat, and hopefully you will be happy to use this boat and have better experiences on this boat for fishing. Okay, thank you.